show y'all the new BMWPipe on the N62 engines. You develop a coolant leak out of this little hole right here. And what happens is, in between the timing cover and the block, there's a seal that fails. The fix for this is the pipe that we've developed. It's an expandable pipe. It has the new replacement seal, and it has an installation sleeve. Okay, to illustrate, we have a bare block right here. It's not necessary to take any of the heads off. You don't have to take the timing cover off, anything. All you got to do is remove the intake manifold and remove this plenum right here. Inside here you see the old pipe. Okay, we've already cut it with a saw earlier just to speed up time, but you want to go ahead and cut it and take it and go ahead and pull the back pipe out first. Go ahead and get you some pliers. You want to take the front pipe and grab it, take and pry it, just pull it right on out. The next thing that you want to do is, there's the old seals up inside of here. Take your little scribe and reach in there and pull out the old seal. I've already taken it out just to kind of speed things up. What you want to do then is take your wet and dry vac and get all the old coolant and everything out of there. After that, take your air drill. Don't use an electric drill. Take an air drill. Make sure you wear safety goggles. Get in there and really clean that hole out really, really well. Again, you want to go ahead and take your wet and dry vac and go ahead and suck all the old debris and all, and really clean all this area out real good. The next thing that you want to do is you want to take the new seal and lubricate it really well. Make sure that this flat side is facing forward, and you can feel the groove inside there. Feed it into that groove and make sure that it's all well seated. I've already got the seal in there just to speed things up. Some mechanics don't like to use silicone, but we highly recommend that you put a little bit of silicone inside the groove, all inside of there. Go ahead and coat the whole O-ring. Go ahead and install it. Make sure you put gloves on, of course. Put you some silicone inside this collar and go ahead and install everything, and it'll give you an absolute positive seal. The next thing you want to do is go ahead and install the installation sleeve. Just curl it up a little bit and go ahead and feed it inside of here and feel it till it bottoms out. You should see about that much distance on it. Next thing you want to do, I've already lubricated this and this end and the threads to save some time. I've already done it a couple times. Next thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and feed this into the collar. Push it in as far as you can. The next thing you want to do is go ahead and put this in the back. Make sure that the mark is up the widest part of this. I'm going to go ahead and bring down both these nuts at the same time. Remember to install the seal too over the main pipe, the O-ring. It comes with two O-rings, one O-ring back here, one O-ring right here, and of course you saw the seal that goes up there. But just go ahead and bring both the nuts down together. Take your pair of pliers. Go ahead and tighten this one up. And what we're doing is it's pushing inside of the stainless steel collar, and it's forcing the seal into place. So go ahead and tighten this up. So you feel everything bottom out. Once you have everything bottomed out, go ahead and re-loosen this nut a little bit. And roll the seal into place. Make sure it's in its groove. Just put a little bit of pressure on it. Go ahead and take the jam nut, tighten it up. Take another pair of pliers and go ahead. Go ahead and tighten this up. Just snug it up. And that's it. We took the timing cover off just to illustrate you, to show you what was going on. This is the actual seal where it fits. You see the groove and everything that where it goes, and this face right here actually pushes on the timing cover. The good thing about the BMWPipe is that's what this sleeve does. Whenever you force it into the hole, whenever the pipe goes in there, it physically causes it to expand and push it all inside of here. Again, I just want to let you know, you don't have to take the water pump off, you don't have to take the belts off, you don't have to take the timing cover off, you don't have to take the heads off, nothing. It takes a big job and tames it down the side.